Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure a dedicated mail server. And we're going to see if we can do this in under 5 minutes. So this is for the Go High Level system or the TechStart CRM. And so get logged into your system like I am now. I'm in my dashboard. And the first thing we're going to want to do is pop over to our settings. And from within our settings, we have this option for email services. And so I'm going to go there now. And I'm in my account, and you can see that I have a default email sender right here. Okay. And what I really want to do is I want to set up a dedicated domain. The benefit of setting a dedicated domain is that we're the only sender to our audience from this mail as opposed to something that's shared. Therefore, we are wholly responsible for our sending scores and our spam scores and that sort of stuff, as opposed to when you use a shared server, sometimes your stuff can go to spam because of other people's activities on the shared server. And so that's why we're going to set up a dedicated domain. And so I'm going to go ahead and click dedicated domain and hit add domain. And now we can go ahead and plug this in. So normally, you can use mg dot or mail dot or whatever it's going to be. I'm going to go ahead and do mail dot and then plug in the domain that we're going to set up. And now we need to pop over to our domain settings so that we can update this. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and hit add and verify because the domain's not set up yet. It's going to tell me, hey, your DNS records aren't there just yet, and it's going to ask me to move it over. And so I'm going to pop over to GoDaddy where we have the domain purchased, and I'm going to add a new record. And then I'm just going to cross-reference against this to see what records I need to add. So I need to add a text record that's mail dot our domain. And so let's go ahead and add a text record, and it's pretty much mail with our string of characters. Half hour, add that record, keep moving forward. We need to do another text record, and it's got this domain key, but I'm going to go ahead and copy in first that longer string of text, and I'm moving fast because we're trying to do this in under 5 minutes. So let's plug that in. The next record is email dot, and it goes to mailgun, and it's a CNAME. Email dot. Ooh. There we go. Great. Next, we got to do the CNAME, and we are going for email.mail, going to mailgun, and it's a CNAME. And let's just double check email.mail. Boom. Perfect. Add that record. And now we need just two mail records, MX10, and it's mxa.mailgun and mxb.mailgun. And so let's go ahead and plug in our MX records. There we go. So that was MXA. This is mail. The priority is 10. And just verify over here. Cool. That all looks correct. Just add one more. It's the opposite one of what we had just done. MXA to MXB, 10 mail with this type. Now, that should be all that we need to do. It might take 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes up to 2 days for us to verify the domain. Let's see if it did it in under a minute. Domain is not verified. It looks like some of these records were verified. And so we just need to, when that happens, oh, look, all of the domains are verified now. Oh, besides this last one, MXB. Is MXB correct here? Did I do that correct? If I made a mistake, I can find out by just searching. MXB, it looks correct. So let's see if it just needed some more time to verify. No, not done. Mail done. MX10, MXB. All that looks correct. MXB, mail, priority 10. Let me try one more time. Okay, I'm going to pause and I'll press play again once we're working. All right, it just took a couple of minutes. I verified that everything was added correctly and it looks good. I don't know why it keeps bouncing in and out. All right, everything should be verified. Let's just go back and see if it got added. It did, and now we need to just verify the SSL. Verify domain. And there we go. We're active in under 5 minutes, y'all. That's how you set up your dedicated mail in Go High Level.